Harvest. This was the theme for Ludum Dare 52, a popular weekend-long jam. I wanted to create something different than your usual farming or action game, something that really reminded me why I play games in the first place, and also to serve as a reminder to enjoy life and be grateful for the opportunities that we are given. Here's how that went. I was toying around with the idea of animals or insects. They live life in the moment and prioritize their well-being and also don't worry about things that don't matter. Because I only had one day to make this project, I chose to make a game about a bee. There was no real purpose except to enjoy life as is, fly around, and discover some neat little Easter eggs. I'm also using the Unity game engine for this project. To start, I placed an existing environment that I already had purchased in the scene to set the tone. Luckily, everything worked out of the box. For the bee, I used another asset, which came with some animations, and I added some code to control the bee and let it fly around. It acts very similar to a plane, where it rotates the body around the yaw, roll, and pitch axes, and moves forward in the direction of the camera. It was really important to get the feel right, so I spent some time configuring the camera, which I used Cinemachine for, and I also added some noise for a nice wobbly panning effect. I then added some actual background logic in the game. The bee loses health over time and must collect pollen or nectar from flowers to regain its health. I also placed some beehives randomly on the map with some AI bees that buzz around. Going near the hive will trigger the player bee to stop for a few seconds and regain all of its health. I decided to not display any information to the player because it would clutter the screen and be unfaithful to how we all truly live life. After the mechanics were finished, I worked on sound design by adding ambient forest noises along with a soft piano music in the background. I also added a script to increase the sound of buzzing bees as you get closer to the hive. When the bee reaches 0 health and dies, I added a death animation, zoomed the camera out from the bee, then coded a nice fade to the UI, which has some flower buttons and borders for a cute effect. The camera zooming out really shows how our worries are so small in comparison to the life that we're all able to live. Yesterday's the past, tomorrow's the future, but today, it's a gift. Remember to enjoy it.